Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox error code 280. Alright, so if you want to fix the error code 280, let me show you exactly what to do about it. Okay, so if you're seeing that kind of error code, it's largely because your version is out of date. Alright, so your version of Roblox is out of date, so you're having little problem inside of the app. Alright, and yeah, so let me show you what to do if yours is out of date, right, or you're finding it difficult to just do a lot of things inside of the app. All right, so what you're going to do first things first is that you're going to go over to your Play Store. Okay, so you want to go over to your Play Store or your App Store depending on the device you're using. If you're using an iOS, you want to go over to your App Store. If you're using an Android like me, go over to your Play Store, but either way it still works. So we're going to go over to Play Store right now, but before then guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out. So we are on our Play Store right there, and what you want to do is that you want to come here to the search bar and then you want to type in Roblox. Okay, so once you're on Roblox, click on it, and then you'll see the updates. But if you already have the device and the Roblox app on your device, you should see updates right here. All right, if you don't have it, you should see install, which is fine. You can install and still check for updates, but if you see updates here, what you want to do is that you want to click on updates. Right, so if you see open, it means you're using the latest version, right? So you're already using the latest version, but if you see update, click on update and let it update. All right, now if you're having problem with the updates, all right, so and the update is not working, I'm going to show you what to do in a moment. Let's say you're trying to update and it's not working, I'm going to show you what to do in a moment. But then first things first, you want to make sure that you're updated. The reason why you want to click this update button and let it update is because it usually would adjust every problem, right? It usually will fix every problem that you're having inside the app, right? So that's what the update does, and it gives you the latest feature from Roblox directly. Okay, so yes, that's why we are updating it. So click on the update, and let's say your update is taking time or it's not having problem, it's having a lot of problem. What you're going to do, two things: you want to check your internet connection, like your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. You want to make sure that you have a lot of data, right? You have access to the internet properly, so it's the update will work. That's one big thing you need to check. Also, if you're not have, if you should check and it's still giving you problem, what you want to do is that you want to come over to your settings, right? So if you're updating and it's not updating, just come over to your settings and you want to go to where your apps are located. All your apps are located. For me, it's under app management. So if you're using an iOS, just go to where your apps are located. I'm going to go to app list right here. It's loading, as you can see. Okay, all right, so it's actually loaded right now, and then I'm just going to see if check if I'll see Play Store. Okay, let me see if I'm going to see Play Store right here. All right, so basically Play Store is actually not here, right? But there's still no problem if Play Store is not here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to exit this and I'm going to come to this place where it says system. For me, click on system right here. The point is that I just want to look for where I can update my device completely. So let me look for updates right here. Let me look for updates. All right, so yes. So let me look for updates right here. So I will check for updates and then see app updates. Okay, so basically here, so where you're going to come here and then you're going to click on update all. So you update all your apps, so it will include the Play Store or your App Store. Okay, so you want to look for where you have general updates, so you can update all your apps, so that way it will update your Play Store or your App Store. Then you can go back and then try to update the Roblox at once. Okay, so that's one thing you can actually do to fix it. All right, so you want to make sure that you're updated, right, and you've updated everything, which is super important. Another thing you can actually do, right, to actually fix it, that you want to come over to where your apps are located. Still on your settings, you want to come over to where your apps are located. Like I said, come over to where your apps are located. For me, it's under app management. Again, come to app list. This is where the apps are located, like I said earlier. And then this time we're going to come over to Roblox, right? We are not looking for Play Store again. We're coming over to look for Roblox. So come over to Roblox right here. Let's see, where is Roblox? All right, so see Roblox right here. Click on it, and then I'll come to where it says storage and cache. So for iOS users, what you want to do is that you want to come and upload the app. There's an upload button right there. You want to upload this. For me, I'm going to click on where it says clear cache. So I'm going to click on clear cache right here. Super simple. All right, click on clear cache for Android users, and for iOS users, click on upload, and then that way it will reshuffle and reset everything for you. Then you can now go back and then access the Roblox after you've made the update on your Play Store or App Store. Okay, yeah, so do well to like this video. This is basically how to fix the error code. Do well to like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We make videos like this to help you out, so subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.